Good evening, everybody. COM103, week 1, day 2. So we'll go over labs 3, 5, and 6 today. So everybody go ahead and log on to your Visual SuperScript program. And in the lab manual, turn to page 16. Let's go to page 16. So in this one, all we're doing is utilizing the edit button. So on step 16, we're going to go to customers. We're going to look up John M. Smith. Make sure you select the correct one. And then we're going to change that date of birth. So go to customers. And the customer box will pop up. Which
date of birth was the same for me.
was it M. Smith?
Yes.
Okay. So maybe yours already been merged. So I'll take a look at my program. So when you search, you want to search under Smith. So type in the first few letters of Smith, S-M-I. You want to make sure it's M, John M. Smith. So it's the one that's highlighted. That is not the correct one. You want to make sure you move it down to John M. Smith. Right? So if you didn't move it down to John M. Smith, make sure you go to John M. Smith. So read the fine print. So that's step 4. Find John M. Smith and then go ahead and click OK to open up his file, and then we'll select edit. So you can't make any changes yet until you click the edit button. So now it's no longer grayed out. You can make the necessary changes. So it should be February 22nd. So change that to February 22nd. And then just move your cursor off of that. And then give me a print screen and then save it. Right. So you should have John N. Smith now. Date of birth is 2/22/1947. So that's your first print screen as listed on the board. Page 16, step 7. Right, everyone's good with that one? Yeah? Yeah? Can we go on? You're good? You got that one done? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, let's go on to the next one. So now we're going to page 17 where the exercise is. So for this exercise, we're pulling up the patient, Jada Sanchez, and there's 3 things. 3 things we have to do for her. The first thing is the birth date. Second thing is add the allergies. And the third thing is change the head of household. So we got to search for Miss Sanchez first. So let's go to the search button. Right, the find button, and we'll look up patients under their last name. So just type in the first few letters for Sanchez, S-A-N. Yep, and it's going to be Jada Sanchez. Right. So remember, you got to click edit in order to make changes. So go ahead and click the edit button. First things first, let's change her date of birth. It should be 8/30 instead of 9/30. And then remember to go down to the allergy tab down here. So they have no known drug allergies. Now we're just going to add it. So new button down here in the lower right. And we'll add in penicillin. So type out the term, not the abbreviation. So PN and penicillin. They didn't specify, so we'll just pick penicillin.
Where are you seeing that customer?
Which customer?
The one you're doing right now?
Jada?
Go to page 17 down in the lower part where it says exercise, the first bullet point. Jada Sanchez.
Thank you.
So date of birth, change the date of birth to 8/30/1996. Add the allergies. no known drug allergies. And the third thing you need to do is the family, right? So let's click on, well, let's search. So we'll erase that guy and we'll type in Pena, P-E-N-A, and see what's in the system. Hopefully Margaret Pena for the head of household's already in there. So Pena, and there she is, Margaret. So yes, Margaret's in there. We'll select OK. And now we'll go to the family. We'll open up the family. So to do that, click the family button. All right, once you found Margaret Pena, click family, and it'll bring up the head of household, the family tab. And then for Pena, Margaret Pena, as the family head, you're gonna add in her phone number. Oh, gotta push edit first. So push edit, and then we'll add in her phone number. 555-639-5489. Alright, so go ahead and print screen and save to show me that you changed the head of household to Margaret Pena. Once you print screen and save, you can go ahead and close the family box. And just verify now that in Jada Sanchez's family field, we have Margaret Pena. Right? So double check birth date, Margaret Pena, and in the allergy tab, you might have to scroll up or down here to make sure that the penicillin is visible. Right? So those three things show me on this print screen. So give me the family with the phone number added. And then once you do that, give me Jada Sanchez, birth date, Margaret Pena, and the allergy penicillin added. All right, how's everyone? Everyone's good with this one?
You said Margaret Pena also had allergies? No, huh?
No, for Margaret Pena.
Jada Sanchez.
Yeah, just
Margaret Pena was the change of household and phone number?
yeah, just the patient has allergies. All right, we're done with customers, so we can go ahead and close this box. Oh, don't forget to save. Yeah, I want to save. Yeah, don't forget to save. Print screen, and then you can close that dialog box. We're on now page 18. 18 and step 4. We're going to search for Dr. Robert Boswell. So search for doctor under the last name, Bos. So we'll bring up the doctor. Find, so search under Bos for Boswell. There he is, Robert Boswell. Click OK. All right, the edit. The edit is in step 6 on page 18. So we need to add in phone number to extension is 104. So just go down to Office Phone 2. Click the edit button. Go down to Office Phone 2. Enter in 104. That's it for that guy. Go ahead and print screen and then save. So all we did for Robert Bosworth was add in the extension for phone 2, 104. That's it. Same page, page 18, same page. Now going down to the quick challenge. We got a doctor. How do we index hyphenated names? So we got to look up Dr. Karen Davis. She got married. Her name is now Davis Bentfeld. So we'll look her original name up under Davis, her last name, D-A-V. There she is, Miss Karen Davis, yep. We'll click OK. We'll need to edit. So how do we index hyphenated names? Going back to Med 109. Charting, electronic management. How do we do it? Do we hyphenate the name? Do we give a space? Do we add a comma? Davis Bentenfeld or Bentenfeld Davis? What is it? Do you remember? No hyphen. So, okay. She took a stab at it. That was brave. No one else that's brave? All right, so it's just one unit. So put it all together. Davis Bentfeld, all one word now. B-E-N-D-F-E-L-D-T. Yeah, D-T. All right, so that is the new last name. Davis Bentenfeld. One word, no space, no hyphen, no underscore, nothing. And that is it. So go ahead and save and print screen. And this is it for lab number 3. Super easy. So anytime you need to make changes, just search and then utilize your edit button.